Good day, sir and ma'am. First of all, thank you for giving me these opportunities to introduce myself. My name is Shirley Caronan, 37 years old, from San Mariano, Isabela, Philippines. 18 years married with one child boy, 17 years. I am a high school graduate. I have 7 siblings and I am the second. I am very hardworking person, trustworthy, honesty, lovable, patiently, and friendly. If there's someone who hired me as your domestic helper, this is the third time to work in abroad. I have experience, nanny, all-around helper in Saudi Arabia 2018 to 2021. I'm serving 5-member family, one couple, and 3 kids. The age are 5, 3, and newborn baby. I am currently to work in Kuwait 2 years, 6 months from now. In one employer, we have 6-member children. The ages are 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, and 2 years old baby. My duties responsibilities are cleaning the house, cooking, wash dishes, wash a clothes, wash a carpet, ironing, and I do gardening and marketing, and also cast the work. To my future employer, if you hired me as your domestic helper, I promise I do my everything and follow the rules and regulation, and I will be a good in your family. Mom and sir, I hope to see you soon. Thank you and God bless.